Today we're out here in Naples, Florida, doing a remodel, tearing down some 6-inch gutters, replacing them with some 8-inch gutters. Had some water damage, had a new roof replaced, and decided to go ahead with the upgrade. They needed it, they were in desperate need of an upgrade, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this whole complex from 6-inch gutters to 8-inch gutters. Today we basically just showed up on site, took some measurements. We're gonna be installing gutters on here for the rest of the day, downspouts, anything to get the water away from the building. A lot of times you need to go from 6-inch to 8-inch gutters. The way the old roofs were designed, today's roofs were just designed for bigger gutters, and a lot of companies, a lot of subcontractors, a lot of contractors are just not making the upgrades. They don't want to spend the money, and what it does is it could potentially damage your wood, could potentially damage your septic tank. Water could very easily intrude into your home from too much water being built up around the base of your home. Not only do we have an 8-inch gutter machine, but we have a seamless gutter 8-inch machine. So the benefits of having a seamless gutter instead of somebody coming out and installing piece by piece 10, 20-foot sections is you're not gonna have any seams, you're not gonna have any leaks, you're not gonna have any potential discoloration from water seeping out and running down your walls in the middle of nowhere. And overall, it just looks better. And that's just some of the reasons you may want to think about upgrading from 6 to 8-inch gutters. Once again, my name is Angel. I'm gonna get back to work.